Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Lostock Road in Salford M5 to show you this beautiful new listing we've got coming up. It is a 3-bedroom semi-detached family home. As you can see, it's got a driveway to the side providing plenty of off-road parking. Got a well presented garden to the front, and those trees just over there you can see in the distance at the start of Buile Hill Park, making it an ideal location for families. As you head inside, you go into a welcoming entrance hallway. On your left opens on up to this tastefully decorated lounge diner. Also provides access through to the kitchen, which is nice and modern. And this leads on through to a well presented garden to the rear with printed concrete, extended from the drive. Later lawn grass and mature plants. Properties in this area are popular due to the close vicinity to local schooling, transport links, several well-kept parks, and it's within easy access of Salford Quays, the media city as well. Upstairs on your first right you have the 3rd bedroom, which is tastefully decorated. And we have an additional double bedroom just through here. The 2nd double bedroom, again nicely presented, looks lovely. Modern 3-piece family bathroom as well. Properties in this condition are always incredibly popular. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.